Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to change these headlights, well, not change them, but take these headlights out, split them open and get rid of these stupid angel eyes because they're broken. So I don't want them in anyway. So yeah, we're going to get them off and yeah, basically get them off and clean them up and put them back in. So yeah, let's get cracking. What's under here? Another Phillips. I'm assuming there's one more under here. Isn't it? Right, just leave it like that. Oh, we've got some new headlight bulbs as well for these. Right, that's it. They're both out. Let's crack them open. Ooh. Hey. Right, so we've got one of the headlights out. The insert's a bit scratched and it's a bit chrome again, so I'm just going to quickly go over it. But yeah, it's been a nightmare because the heat gun keeps overheating. So yeah, and my hands are a mess, sticky. But once this is done, get the heat guns back cool again, we'll get the other one off and probably spray that one again and then leave it and let it dry and put them all back together. Yeah, get it on. Right, so we've painted and cleared the insides. Sorry, we are just letting them dry overnight. The fronts we've cleaned on the inside. Polish them up tomorrow. But I did have some eyebrows or eyelids, or whatever you call them, for. Let me see. For on the top, like this. But the guy painted them black, and I realised they were carbon, and they are real carbon. But as I was pulling them off, they cracked a little bit, so I sanded them down as much as I could, and I've cleaned them, and I'm gonna clear lacquer them now and see if you don't see them. But yeah, hopefully they stay like that and I can get the real carbon, because it'll look good with my new grill that's coming. So yeah, we're gonna clear these now and then let them dry tonight, and then tomorrow we'll finish putting the headlights back together. Right, we're back, it's the next day. We're going to clean the lenses on the inside, get them stuck back in. Let's have a look at these now. Oh yeah, these are looking better. Nice and shiny. So yeah, we'll stick them back in, put lenses back in, and then buff the fronts. And then I've got me carbon. I mean, you can see a bit of a crack on them, but I sanded them down as much as I can and resprayed them. So yeah, they'll have to do. It's only a drift car in it, so it is what it is. So yeah, let's get these cleaned up and then get them stuck back together. They're looking a lot cleaner actually, aren't they? Right, so the headlights are done. Let me flip my camera around. There's just, this one looks a bit foggy, it's on the inside. We cleaned them, but we didn't sand them and polish them, so this one looks a bit worse, but they still look good. And it's only a drift car, so at the end of the day they're probably going to get smashed anyway. So yeah, we'll put the bumper on. Yeah, we're going to put the bumper on now, and then we'll see you in the next one. Please like, subscribe and comment, and yeah, see you in a bit. Peace.